Good afternoon, everyone. This is Friday, February 13, 2026. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is a danger alert, and I'm happy that the communities affected are not playing games with it. They are taking it serious. The data you are seeing on the screen was written by the National Terrorists Association of Nigeria. Nigeria is the only country on earth that I have seen who have terrorist association. Yeah, it is existing. And I can tell you, beat my hand in my chest to tell you that people in government are funding them. Now, after the issue of attack that happened in Yoruba community that led to so many Christians being locked in the church and burned in the church, what happened is not something that we should be saying all the time. However, remember that I've been reporting time with that number that these terrorists are still around. Nothing prevents the government to go after them if they have the intention to go after them. So we have established that the government knows about this and they don't want to do anything about it. So this has been a pattern. Now, the data they wrote to 3 communities now, because after the attack that happened, a lot of communities started resolving to their cultural lifestyle of doing voodoo charm to make sure if these people come that they are going to withstand and kill them. Now, in this data, the terrorists admitted that yes, we hear that you people are strong, but we are coming anytime soon to strike. In a normal country, in a country that is, having sane leaders, all these things will not be happening. Terrorists will not be sending letters and they will execute it. And if you don't understand how these people used to write letters, you better pay attention, okay? As I said before, I have 7 letters documented. Like this one, I will still document it. I will still keep it. So anytime these people are writing letter, it is the same pattern, okay? The same pattern. Now, let's go and understand what they wrote in the letter. By the way, the person who wrote it is Sanufi. Sanufi is the writer of this letter, whether it is the secretary of the National Terrorists Association. What is the purpose of these terrorists? The purpose of these terrorists is to bring Sharia to Nigeria, okay? So I will explain deep and deeper things that is unfolding in Nigeria. Now, this message is from Nigeria Terrorists Association, NTA, okay? Then the second paragraph there. Our motto, we kill, we kidnapping. The person wanted to write, we are kidnapping, okay? And we destroying. He wanted to write, we are destroying. Then the third paragraph there says, no town or place that is scared us to destroy, like that can scare us to destroy. Like there is no place that will scare them not to invade and destroy, okay? Then 1, 2, 3, the fourth paragraph there said, we search and gathering information, okay, before we raid. Don't mind the way the terrorist is writing it. You know, all these people I'm surprised that they can even put on something. They have never been to school. But the people who went to school are in the offices sponsoring them. Now, the next paragraph said, we search and gathering information before we raid. Now, we heard about this town, era, you people strong, and have many powerful men to face our organization. Be ready for us at any time, any date. Nothing concern us about your oracle or powerful. We left Kayamandoko government. We moved to Era, Inaja, Aho, and town surrounded. And they put on their signature there. See. All right, let's go into the analysis of this very, dangerous alert. This is a danger alert. First of all, I would like to let you know that there is no man born on earth who will have this audacity, who will have this authority to be sending people later after the massacre of more than 200 people, including locking Christians in the church. After they have done that, they are telling you that we have done with this community. We are moving to another community. And they mention the communities they are moving to. And as I speak to you, they have surrendered the villages. But everybody just keeping quiet. Which kind of trademark is this, Nigeria? No, this is too obvious. Now, I want to shock you. I am not a fan of El-Rufai. I have El-Rufai files, okay? I'm not his fan. But El-Rufai, Babadatia Med, and 4 other persons, there are 6 people I have their videos, who came to national television. You know, before someone could come to national television to make pronouncement, meaning what he's saying is true, because he knows that if it is not true, they will come after him. Erufai, Babalati Ahmed, and this rest of people said that Tinubu is using Rebadu to pay these people. And day before yesterday, we saw what happened. Erufai said Rebadu sent EFCC to intercept him at the airport. I think what Rebadu should do is to respond. Is Erufai saying the truth? Is Babalati Ahmed saying the truth? Are you paying the terrorists? Is Tinubu paying the terrorists through Rebadu? Have you ever seen your celebrities talking about all these things? No, they won't talk about it. They are telling them now, Tinubu is paying terrorists through Erufai. Now, Tinubu's government did not come out to say, no, what they are saying is false. They didn't come out to say it. Like, how do we get here, folks? How do we get here? How do we get here? If anybody tells you that this is just normal, you know, when this thing started before, they were telling you that it was herders and farmers clash. We were here telling you people that this is not herders and farmers clash. Now it has turned to later, writing later to people. It has turned to later, writing later that they are coming to kill people, they are coming to preach Sharia. We know that this thing has always been and it will remain Sharia. Just expansion of Islam. That is it. There is nothing more, nothing less. There is no narrative they didn't set to international community and all this news media, BBC, especially Al Jazeera. They were pushing it. There is a way, there is an extent. In fact, you can lie to so many people, but not all the time. That answers it all. Not all the time. You can't continue to pretend. You see, as many that are saying that this Nigeria, let us build it, let us do this, like you are wasting your time. We all, including me, we are wasting our time. You know why? Because these ideologies, you can't kill an idea. You can't kill an idea. Extremism is an ideology. You cut it off. You cut extremism off. You don't kill extremism. Are you going to kill everybody? No, you are not going to kill everybody. Now, you see, the United States can succeed to destroy terrorist camps, but they can't destroy terrorism, which is extremism in people's minds. They can't destroy it. Because many people who welcome the US soldiers are part of the people who are even funding these terrorists. Erufai just told you that Rebadu is paying these terrorists. Now, if you are looking for maybe proof of what Erufai said, Erufai may have the proof of what he said, but the thing started becoming reality to people when Rebadu's office admitted that they illegally give guns to Meiti and people. The same Meiti and that the US is now calling terrorist organization. No, I want you to match everything and connect the dots. It is time for people to think. The danger is here. Unless people start cutting this thing off, like we need up to 7 countries in Nigeria. Let them go and partner with anybody to protect themselves. If not, little by little, you see if these people succeeded in annexing Kwara, part of Kogi, Niger State, there is a place they have carved out. Yoruba dominated area of Kogi State. You saw what they have been doing before. You have been hearing what they are doing there. Niger State. By the way, Niger State, the terrorists have vowed that schools will not open there. Okay? Don't you even think twice when you see them abducting school children. And helicopter was up, painted green, white, and green. Why abducting the school children? Okay? If you think that the things we are saying is not enough for you to understand, go and listen to the confession of the teachers. AIT, Independent Television, they interviewed the teachers. The teachers confessed the helicopter was up. Why is Nigeria government doing this? Because of Islamization. Like, who does this? They came to attack Enugu, the helicopter was there. In Kwara, helicopter was there. Those state people are complaining that this helicopter are dropping terrorists. The following day, they will start attacking them. Niger State, the helicopter was there. What is it called? Borno State. Zulum said these people are using helicopter. Like, who owns this helicopter? The Nigerian government are colluding with these people. There is nothing you will say. Who owns this helicopter? Now, the surprising thing that links government to abduction of school children is a state terror. That links the government to the abduction of school children in Niger State was who made the call. About 17 senators were crying on the Senate floor. Who made the call? Who made the call till today? Who is talking about who made the call? The government made the call. They ordered the military to. Military cannot take order from somebody who is not superior. Come on now. We are all learned in all these things. Military officers can't take order from anybody. You saw when this Navy officer Yerima and Wike was exchanging. Okay, Yerima was telling Wike that I can't take order from you. I take order from my superior. So those military officers were called from their superior, from the office of the highest office in this country. And they leave. After leaving, they brought Nigerian helicopter condor to come and kidnap school children, put them inside motor. Helicopter was monitoring them. In this country, you all are quiet. You are all mute. Right from that time, nobody talks. Nobody. 2027 is what they're after. Like, if an angel entered, is it not 4 years? Is it not 8 years? Then after that, what happens again? Are you going to kill terrorism? You can't kill terrorism. You can kill people, not terrorism. Get this fact well. What these people are doing, they don't call it terrorism. They don't call it a bad thing. No. What these people are doing is not a bad thing to them. For them, they are doing it for God. They are doing this is a culture, customs that can go with a common law that we practice. And that is the basis why we are asking that the ultimate solution is that way Yugoslavia, went, and everybody is now peaceful. Nobody is disturbing each other. Nobody's fighting each other again. Everywhere, peace, tranquility. We want peace. We want progress. And we know the solution. And the solution does not require money. You are buying these weapons for nothing, buying helicopters for nothing. Kunde Olawumi told you people that, listen, Nigeria government can do everything that they could because of insecurity. As far as they know that is not the solution. He made a statement in his interview in 2022. Oh, no, that was 2023, yeah. 2023, when he was talking about, the collusion of people in government. He said, yes, they know that is not the solution. That is why they are doing it. Buy Tucano jet, buy this, buy that. That is not the solution. The solution to it is the sponsors of these people who are in the government. They imported the Fulani militia into the country. Like they slapped the whole Nigerians. People who thought that they are intelligent. It's a slap on them. According to Dumeje, as far as this country is concerned, we are all illiterate. How can group of people imported over 1 million terrorists? They admitted that they imported it to remove Jonathan. How? And everybody, we are just mute. Nothing consensus. Like, black man. Black man. We will continue to say this. We are so wicked, self-centered. That, like, only my own, my interest. That is the reason why they can't even put mouth. I saw someone yesterday saying on Arise News that 3.7 million are in the IDP camp. Where did you get the figure? Where did you get the figure? As far as November 2025, it was 4.7 million Nigerians that are in the IDP camp. Close to 5 million. And that is the number we are holding. So don't cut 1 million people out of it. So for you to understand the kind of Islamic war, religious war going on in Nigeria. People who are in the refugee camps because of Russia and Ukraine war, they are not up to 5 million. They are not up to 5 million. Like the world is going bad. This is crazy. The terrorists are now sending letters to the community. We are coming to do this. We are coming to do that. So prepare. Even though we don't care about your juju, we don't care about your oracle. Like the audacity is what scares me. The audacity of these people. Come on. Like nobody can do this if they don't have somebody in the highest office. I remember when police arrested, that was 2021 though. That was 2021. So police arrested some these Fulani people. They were carrying dog and there was a series of kidnapping that happened that time. I'm talking about Agbo in a Kafera constituency. This thing happened. So police released these people the following day. In fact, we don't even know what happened again because they did not sleep. Whether they sleep in the police cell, I don't know. The only thing we hear was, call came from above. Like, call came from above. Like, if you capture some of them, they will tell you that take me to police station. Take me to police station. They know that a call is going to come across. This is just an agenda. This is just an agenda. People are doing it. They want to continue to be doing it. But, for those of you who read Bible, Hosea 4 verse 6, my people are destroyed because of the lack of knowledge. My people are destroyed because of the lack of knowledge. And the one that baffles me are the intellectuals, so-called intellectuals. Yeah. They don't even know the problem. Talk less of the solution. Everybody wants to proffer solution because of money and interest. Everybody wants to come out to say this is this is that because of money and interest. But hey, pay attention. The solution has nothing to do with gun, military, this, that. It's a process. Yes. I understand that you have to make everything to be peaceful through strength. All these terrorists will be crushed. Yes, they will be crushed. But crushing them does not crush the idea. So after crushing them, divide Nigeria. Like me, that is what I'm expecting from every international community who want to help Nigeria. Crush these terrorists. Crush them, but you can't crush the idea. Just do division. Let everybody go and, take care of their territory. It's so bad. It's so bad. Anyway, if you're from Era and all these communities, don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. Remember what they did in Yoruba, what they did in Jos Plateau State, the Christmas Eve of 2023. Look at what they did in all these places. They used to send letter first. And at the end, police, as usual, will always disappoint. I will continue to tell you what it is. Don't get it twisted. Nigeria is on the verge of Islamization.